Is ghee okay for people with diabetes? What you need to know. Diabetes is a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. In fact, over 37 million people in the United States alone are living with diabetes, and many more are at risk of developing it. Managing diabetes involves careful attention to diet, as what you eat directly impacts your blood sugar levels. With so many dietary choices to make, you might be wondering, is ghee, a popular type of clarified butter, okay for people with diabetes? In today's video, we're highlighting the facts about ghee and how it fits into a diabetic-friendly diet. First, let's talk about what ghee actually is. Ghee is a form of clarified butter that has been used in Indian cooking for centuries. It's made by heating butter to remove the milk solids, leaving behind pure butterfat. This process gives ghee its rich, nutty flavor and makes it a popular choice for cooking at high temperatures. But how does this fit into a diet for someone managing diabetes? 1. Ghee and blood sugar levels. Ghee is almost entirely made up of fat, with no carbohydrates or sugars, meaning it has a minimal direct impact on blood sugar levels. This is important for people with diabetes, as controlling blood sugar spikes is a key part of managing the condition. The healthy fats in ghee can also help slow down the absorption of sugar and carbohydrates from other foods, leading to more stable blood sugar levels. 2. The role of healthy fats. While ghee is high in saturated fats, it also contains beneficial compounds like conjugated linoleic acid CLA and butyrate, which have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved gut health. For people with diabetes, incorporating healthy fats like ghee in moderation can help maintain energy levels and promote satiety, which can prevent overeating and help manage weight, a crucial factor in diabetes care. 3. Ghee versus other fats. When compared to other fats, ghee has some unique benefits. Unlike regular butter, ghee is lactose-free, making it a good option for those with lactose intolerance. Additionally, ghee has a high smoke point, meaning it doesn't break down into harmful compounds when heated, making it a safer choice for cooking at high temperatures. This makes ghee a versatile and potentially healthier fat option for those with diabetes. 4. Portion control and moderation. Even though ghee has some benefits, it's important to remember that it's still a fat and calorie-dense food. For people with diabetes, portion control is key. Using too much ghee can lead to weight gain, which can negatively impact blood sugar control. The key is moderation. A small amount of ghee, used in cooking or as a topping, can add flavor and nutrition without compromising your health goals. 5. Including ghee into a diabetic diet. Including ghee in your diet can be done in a healthy way. Try using ghee as a cooking oil for sautéing vegetables, or add a teaspoon to your morning oatmeal or whole grain toast. You can also use ghee in traditional dishes like dal or curries, where its rich flavor can shine. Remember, balance is key. Pair ghee with plenty of fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to create a meal that's both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. So, is ghee okay for people with diabetes? The answer is yes, but with some important considerations. While ghee can be a part of a healthy diet for those managing diabetes, it's crucial to use it in moderation and balance it with other nutrient-dense foods. Always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure that your diet is tailored to your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.